7 lonely days and a dozen tons ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking through the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, Lord, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoe.
Rain in my shoe.
Yeah, searching for you. Yeah, oh Kentucky rain, hey, oh Kentucky rain. Showed your photographs to some old gray-bearded fools sitting on the bench outside a general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. Ain't that right, Coco? Then I finally caught her up with a preacher man who asked, where you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, they left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Yeah. Yo! Kentucky rain is pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoe.
Rain in my shoe.
Searching for you. Yeah. Go Kentucky rain. 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 Go Kentucky. Thank you.